Hello and welcome to Health Hacks with LloydsPharmacy. This week we're talking all things allergy. I'm here with Matt Courtney-Smith, pharmacist at LloydsPharmacy. Hi Matt. So when does allergy season really start?
Allergy season or hay fever season starts in kind of the early spring and lasts all the way through to late summer. We often see that the first pollen to be released is tree pollen, but that can happen around about late March, but it can vary each year.
Oh, so we're really heading into hay fever season now. I mean, what are the typical symptoms of hay fever?
Yes, so we're heading into the season now, and if you do suffer from hay fever, then you will start to experience things like kind of itchy eyes, a runny or a blocked nose, or things like sneezing. There's lots of other symptoms as well. So if you are somebody who suffers from asthma, then you might get a tightness of the chest, shortness of breath, or wheezing. These are symptoms that can last for a few days or a few months, all the way through the hay fever season.
If you're someone that's dealing with these symptoms year after year, what's the best way to tackle them?
So there are various ways to treat hay fever, and it depends on how severely you suffer with those symptoms. But if you get different types of symptoms, then you can take what we call combination therapy.
Combination therapy sounds really interesting. What exactly does that mean?
Yes, so it's nothing more complicated than taking the different medications that you would usually treat for the individual symptoms for the combined kind of package all together at the same time. So for instance, if you use a nasal spray, the eye drops as well as the antihistamine tablets, it will deal with your nasal symptoms, so a runny or a blocked nose, the itching eyes you're experiencing, as well as any sneezing all together.
So you can use all of those at the same time?
Yes, you can. If you want advice, you can speak to your local pharmacist or GP who can advise you which medications you can take together. But actually, you can tackle multiple symptoms in what you couldn't get from a single medication at once.
Amazing. Thank you, Matt. And thank you guys for joining us. Stay tuned for another health hack next week, and don't forget to leave your comments below.